Welcome to Master of Realms. Today, I'm gonna make a simple single tile map. To show you how draw feature of Master of Realms works, firstly, I have selected wooden fence from objects, and choosing path draw option. Now, let's use single object draw type and place some city houses here. Adding a brick grouping would enhance the visual appeal of this map. I will be using the radius draw type, as it will allow for efficient coverage of a larger area. For creating the green trees, I'll be using the path draw type again. You can also adjust the spacing of objects accordingly. Great! Now let's give this map a quick touch-up. Coming soon on Steam, Wishlist Now.